court is a visit, a hort to give. So to give a visit is the way you say to visit someone. Court to hort. Doctor on a doctor. You give a visit on a doctor is you visit a doctor. Okay? So, we have a couple examples actually. Sentence E and F. So you just want to say, I visited my friend. Hog me court machara. Gave I a visit on my friend. Hog me court machara. And if you want to ask, did you visit your friend? Or hog to court machara. Okay, so to give a visit on someone is to visit them. Okay. So sentence 7. So Rick Shalesh gur hordo glaka le korle ven ivrolheim.
Rick Shalesh gur hordo glaka le korle ven ivrolheim.
Agus korche horte rochtor. Okay.
Didn't they have doctors before the English?
There's that. Well, that's why you have words like Menlia, which is a surgeon.
What? Oh.
Yeah. So there are other words. Yeah. Okay. Sentence 8. Nirga vashe dochig dochter korlach. So nirga means it wouldn't be necessary. Ga is necessity. So literally it wouldn't be a necessity. Nirga. Vashe, thought he. The word mass is thought. Okay. Vashe, thought he. Dol is to go. Hig doctor, to a doctor. And Dr. Korlach would be a consultant. It would be the doctor you would go in and ask, to look at you and ask for advice. Okay. Probably like a GP or something, I guess. I don't know. Okay. So the word ga, there's a few idioms that use it, but the main one we're just going to look at now. Ni ga dich fanatan show means you don't have to stay here. Ni ga dich fanatan show. So not necessity for you, or ni is, it isn't a necessity for you to stay, wait here or stay here. Fanatan show. And nirga dich fanatan show means either you didn't have to or you wouldn't. Yeah, you didn't have to.
Does that work the other way? You can say tagadich.
It's not. It's used more in a negative. This one's used more in a negative. Yeah. The ways to say in Irish that you have to do something or don't have to do something tend to vary quite a bit. So there's a lot of, like, we had to have something be on you is one of the ways you have to do something. Which one was it? Go miach leverage of champagne also. It was on him a half bottle of champagne to drink. Okay, you had to do it. Okay, so but you say you have to do something now. You say kahime, which literally means I will throw or something, based on that word ka that we talked about, right? So, yeah, they say it's ga means it is necessary. So there's an expression like maska if it is necessary.
Ga, a verb or a noun?
It's a noun.
Noun?
Yeah. Okay. So let's read the main sentence. Nirva vashe dochig dochter korlach.
Nirva vashe dochig dochter korlach.
And number 9. Nirev moron ig karasto. So you know Nirev moron ig karasto. So the expression kur as de kuras da means to bother. It's one of the ways to say something to bother you. Okay, it's kind of putting you out of sorts, I guess you can think of it. Okay, so nirev there wasn't. Moron is a lot or much. Incur putting, os is out, do is or out of or off of or something. Okay, do. So you pretty much have to learn the expression kuras da together. Okay, so a couple more examples of that expression. So what's bothering you? Karata and karastich. So if you see someone and they look troubled, say kata karastich. What's bothering you? Okay, or nul enroded karastich. Is anything bothering you? And you want to say nothing's bothering me. Nil rod erbek ik karaston. Okay. How would you say what's what's bothering y'all?
Karata Ekuras
Leave. How about what's bothering Mary?
Karata Ekuras Myra.
The close.
The
The Waira. Okay. Karata Ekuras the Waira.
Karata Ekuras
The Waira. Okay. And how you say nothing's bothering her?
Yuru Nerbe Ekuras Myra.
Okay. How about Ekuras G. Nothing's bothering her. Okay. So those are all on the charts. Okay. Roderbe, nothing is Ekuras G bothering her. Okay. So number 10, Rachel Wujja Leish Egan and Aib. So some bottle of medicine would solve the problem. The word Reichi means to solve or resolve something. So and the word Wujja we know is bottle. Lice is medicine. Lice, but Wujja Leish is a bottle of medicine. So changes a little bit the spelling there. It's genitive, so Wujja Leish. The word five is a problem, so basically it's saying would fix bottle of medicine the problem. So some medicine would fix, some bottle of medicine would fix the problem. Okay? Rechoch. It means would fix or would solve. Yeah. Yeah. There's an idiom in Irish, nil lice agam air, which is literally I don't have medicine on it, and that means I can't fix it. I can't do anything about it. I don't have a medicine for it. Nil lice agam air. Using the word lice, this word. Nil lice agam air. Okay?
Lice is medicine.
Yeah, medicine. Okay. So number 11. Deidach dochter be idjus urjunach a holachardo. So deidach would be able. Okay, we had that one last week also. Deidach would be able to. Doctor be is any doctor. Okay. Yep. Actually, it should be doctors. There's a typo. There should be an H in there. Not doctor. It's doctor. Be any doctor. Idjus is a recipe or a prescription. Okay, idjus. Okay. So derech doctor be idjus urjunach. Urjunach is suitable. A holachardo to provide to him. So lacher is to provide. A holacher to provide. A holacher is to provide. Do is to him. Okay. So derech doctor be idjus urjunach a holachardo. Deidach doctor be idjus urjunach a holachardo.
Do you pronounce the word before eunuch?
Idjus. Yeah. It's also related to education. Yeah. Okay. Number 12. Hanikshe plata prash erwala ikunya nasaraja. So he saw a brass plate on a wall on a street corner. Hanikshe he saw. Okay. Okay. So the word for brass and pros, and of the brass and frosh, and just a plate of brass, plot the prosh. Okay. Literally plate of brass, right? So a brass plate. The word for street in Irish, and thraj, and of the street, nasraja, and the street corner of the street, kunya nasraja. Okay, so saw he plate of brass on wall at corner of the street. Okay, Hanik plata prash erwala kunya nasraja.
Hanik plata prash erwala kunya nasraja.
Erwala, right? Okay. All right, and it says, and Dr. Sean Olecha, Dr. Agus Manlia.
Dr. Shanti Hofshi, Dr. August.
So we already kind of went through that. So,
Now, why in number 7 for O'Brolkin, they don't have the O, but here they do?
okay, because if his name was, let's say that they're, okay, let's say she's married to, say Sean. Let's say Sean and Mary we have. So it would be Sean O. Sean O'Brolchan would be John Brolchan. Okay, O'Brolchan. Okay, Sean O'Brolchan. But